Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video we will discuss LeetCode problem 94, binary tree in order traversal. So in order traversal we can say that first um, we will get left, then root, and then right, and root will be in the middle of left and right. Okay, so this is in order. Okay, here is a problem example, and root this, and output will be this. Okay, that's so simple. Let's implement its solution. Okay, first we will create an array, an empty array. After that we need a function within a function, and I can say that its name is in order. Okay, and we will pass root to it. If for example root is not existing, okay, then simply return nothing. Okay, and if for example in order root dot left is existing, then simply call in order function and pass the left value as a root. Okay, and after that we have an root value, so we can directly, after left side, we can directly append the value of root. Okay, and once we will deal left, and after left we have to deal with root, and after root we need to deal with the right side of the tree. Okay, so if for example their right is existing there, then simply perform recursion here, and after this in order root here and return the result. Okay, let's run this solution. It is successfully passing all three cases. Let's submit this problem. And this problem is successfully submitted. So this is the simple solution of this problem. So hope you will enjoy this code. Thank you, and we will meet in next video inshallah. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.